Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a super special Nova. This is a 1972 Chevy Nova restored, and it's factory correct, 1 year only color, spring green. And just super quality, but it's gonna be hard to find another one this color. The first time I seen it, you know, I didn't even know it was really a factory color until I seen this car and was doing some research on it. But spring green, 72 year only color, and this is a super sport.
Beautiful car, beautiful color.
Yeah.
Nice running 350 small block 4-barrel, factory 4-speed. Does have power disc brakes on it on the front. And Dalton, this is a 44,120 mile car. I don't know if it's, if it's been turned or not, but it's very possible. The way this lines up, it could be a 44,000 original mile car. I know the previous owner had stated that it was, but without all the documentation, it's hard to prove. When they painted it years ago, and it was done, quite a few years ago, but it still looks almost pristine.
Yeah.
They did a great job. They pulled all the cowl vent, they pulled all the inner fenders, the
bottom side of the
fenders,
paint's gorgeous.
Everything's painted beautifully. Very, very nicely done.
What a color.
I can tell you the front bumper's original. Look at this, Dalt. And look how nice it is for being that old, but it's got just enough patina on the top of it. Mm-hmm. Those little micro scratches in it.
And that spring green's got such a beautiful metallic to it. It's very pretty.
Couple tiny little rock chips there, and they're so small. Look how the hood lines up from front to back here on both sides. Very, very nice job.
This car looks so good, somebody drove by and had to come up and take a look.
Want to know what's going on here, if there was some sort of a car show. No, these cars are for sale, so we just sent them inside to take a peek.
But like you said, that mileage is believable when you look at how well everything lines up, how solid the undercarriage is. Hood here fits perfectly, laser straight, and what a shot. I mean, just a sharp car. Isn't
it gorgeous? Yeah, like I said, it's very possible that this is a low mileage 44,000 mile car, just the way everything fits. Mm-hmm. And look how straight it is. Body side molding still on the car. Mm-hmm. So many times people take that off. Did you explain to him on the factory K code, D?
No, go a little more detail about that.
So in 1972 is the first year since 1968 they cut off the Super Sport designation in the VIN number after 68. So 69 through 71, you could not tell if it's a Super Sport or not. 1972, the K was in the VIN, designating it was a 354 barrel Super Sport. Mm-hmm. So that's the 5th digit in the VIN, Dalton. So.
Door jamb paint's excellent. Corner of the door is rust free.
We do have a little touch-up paint in there for it. It comes with it as well.
So that's kind of nice to have. But the interior on this is beautiful, and we kind of glossed over the fact that it's a 4-speed car too. So another great bonus. Seats are super soft.
Very, very nice, aren't they? Her shifter.
Interior is just as pristine as the exterior of it. Back seat's excellent.
Got the correct GM seat belts, and look how clean they are, Dalton. Can you see those in the back? See how clean that seat belt is? Is that factory GM one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Back package tray is excellent. Headliner's really nice and tight. Dome light works. Dash pad is great.
The paint on the doors and the paint on the door jamb, they did one repaint on this, and it was done very, very tastefully. There is a couple little chips here. See it right here, see it? Just a couple tiny little touch-ups. As far as everything else, down low is all great. There's no bubbles, blisters anywhere on it. As you look up and down the side, it's laser straight, and the roof paint is beautiful. Here in this sail panel, where the quarters would have met, if that let it in, and the roof, I don't see a ding.
I can't believe they quit making this color. It's gorgeous.
I know. They started a little too late in 1972.
Yeah, they did.
It would have been a really high-selling color in 69, 77.
Yeah, can you imagine like a 70 Chevelle spring green?
Oh, man.
Very straight.
It's a badass color. Now, the front bumper's original, okay? But the back bumper's been replaced. You see the difference? Mm-hmm. They both look really good at 2 foot, but this one has no...
nothing on it.
Yeah, I don't want to say nothing on it.
But I mean, like, doesn't have like the little micro pitting or whatever. But
oxidation or whatever you want to call it, matte chrome.
And then we did do a bunch of front end work on this when it first came in.
Yep, did some ball joints, did a front end alignment on it. Just got it to our standards.
Trunk's jammed beautifully, and I love seeing that too. You pop the trunk; it's just show ready in the trunk engine compartment as well.
Isn't that nice? Yeah, absolute show ready car.
It definitely turns heads. People just stop by and have to look
Probably
at it.
the only one in this color still available. We got another guy turning heads right now, backing up a scooter to look at it.
Yep, it's a good looking car. Driver's side's just as straight. All the glass, that glass looks good. That package tray's excellent.
Keep backing up and about run into you.
Yeah, I know. We do have a very little small chip or something there, but
Yeah, both doors fit perfectly in the front and in the back, don't they? Now this would have been a candidate for wheel well trim, and we could have done it, but it just looks so nice the way it was.
yeah.
Again, look at this. Look at the top of the cowl, hood to the fender. And those Goodyear Eagle raised white letters with the Super Sport wheels just really fit it.
Yeah. They do door gem paint.
Rubbers are all new at restoration time. Corner of the doors are perfect. Door panels are near perfect. Even getting in and out of the seat, it's just in excellent condition. And look at the steering column. That's very nice as well. Somebody upgraded the steering wheel to just a nice bow tie, little bigger steering wheel than the factory. Let's drive it, shall we?
Yeah.
So many times Novas with a lot of miles on them were just beat. Look at the condition of just all the little plastic, even here in the seatbelt holder. Look at that. So many times those are surface rusty. They're in beautiful condition, which really tells me that this could be a 44, not a 144 mileage car. Wipers work good in park. Heater fan works awesome. There we go. Gas gauge works. We filled that up as well. Radio. Let's see what that does for us. Horn works. Radio lights up and turns on. I'm just not sure what we're going to get for a station here.
Yeah, I don't think the radio.
I think maybe just the tape
works.
player works
Yeah,
or something.
Kind of, possibly. It's just kind of an old school.
Okay, looks good in there though as far as the backing and everything. So our heater fan, everything works, horn works, starts easy. We got a little SunPro tack over here, which is kind of nice with a 4-speed to have a tack. And the nice thing is it's not gaudy or anything like that.
Small out of the way.
Yeah. Oil pressure is great. We got 60 pounds of oil pressure right there. Temperature gauge. We'll see if that comes up in a minute. Starts easy, runs beautifully. Dome light works as well.
Yep.
So another car, Coyote Classics, that everything pretty much works and is ready to hit the road. Have some fun, huh?
Front's great. Puts right back in the seat.
Wow, it's awesome. And this is cold, you know what I mean? It didn't spit or sputter at all. Here's your brakes, perfectly straight. We got front disc on there. We do have power. Power brake booster works perfect, and the brake stop nice and straight. Turning indicator works. Now, this doesn't have power steering, but it's got the nice big 15-inch wheel, and it steers perfect.
Novas are like Mustangs.
Yeah.
They're pretty light up front.
Second gear scratch, 4,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM shift. What do you think?
It's awesome.
This is a quality,
Hell of a car.
and we've been talking about the way it lines up and everything, like it could be original mile car, but look how it drives. It kind of says it is,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and do our synchros. There's third, high-speed braking second. Synchro right down into first. Again, steering radius, really nice and easy.
No tire rub.
Nothing.
Seems like a lot of these Novas have.
Now this one's just a special car. Again, factory Super Sport, factory rare color, factory body lines are awesome, and just the drivability of it's great. So it's a little on the higher side of this on the Novas, but it's a documented car, and that makes a big difference.
Yeah, and a 4-speed and just super quality. I mean, quality is everything in an old car.
The suspension is excellent. Speedometer's right on the money, it looks like. Doesn't bounce at all, super tight. One finger on the wheel. The guys did a great job in the shop when we first got it in. It needed a heck of an alignment, a lot of front end parts, you know, a couple little things. So
Just a damn nice car. See this one on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.